As you may have noticed, the cost to insure your home, car, and business, well, it's all going up. Experts say inflation is not the only factor driving up these costs. Lawsuits are also a driving factor in the cost of insurance. Joining me now to talk more about this issue is Lynne McChristian. Lynne, good morning. Thank you so much for your time.
Good morning. I'm glad to be here.
Yeah, we so much appreciate it. I know, times are tough for a lot of folks out there. So talk to us about, how litigation is impacting consumers.
Well, for one thing, the increased cost of litigation is something that's trickling down to consumers. It's increasing the cost of goods and service, including insurance. So what happens is people see a personal injury as a big payday. They're influenced by aggressive lawyer advertising and think they'll make a lot more money than if they just try to go directly to their insurance company. So one of the messages is, in order to keep insurance costs down, give your insurance company a chance to settle that claim. The insurance industry is highly regulated. There's multitudes of consumer protections to make sure you get what you're owed.
The concern here, what action is necessary to alleviate these concerns and ultimately lead to lower costs, say, for the consumer?
Well, here's something that's a trend that is not a pleasurable one. There's something called third-party litigation funding. So outside investors are fueling through funds some of these lawsuits, and judges and juries don't know about it. So again, if there's an outside investor looking to profit off an individual's lawsuit, they're going to try to influence that outcome. And we think mandatory disclosures are very important. That's inflating the cost of those awards because it gives people more time to argue the issues back and forth. So understanding that would be important. And then also understanding that the personal injury awards, the litigation costs that's trickling down, they're upwards of 3 times what they were 10 years ago.
Oh, wow.
Okay. So it's understanding how those impact individuals is important.
Yeah. And I know for a lot of folks, this is a foreign language, right? This is not something that if you're not in insurance, you might not know what's going on here. Where can viewers go to learn more information about this?
There's a wealth of information at apci.org to get information before you decide to take some legislative or legal action.
Lynne, thank you so much for your time this morning. We do appreciate you coming on the show.